Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League Dropshot. Dropshot is a unique game mode where the objective is to break through your opponent's floor to score. Unlike standard soccer, there are no traditional goals. Instead, you must damage the arena floor with a super-powered ball. Understanding the ball's damage phases and how they affect the hexagonal panels is key to mastering this exciting mode. The ball in Dropshot isn't just for hitting, it's a weapon. Each time a player makes contact, the ball gains damage, indicated by its color. It starts orange, then turns red, and finally becomes purple. A purple ball hit carries maximum power, capable of instantly destroying a single damaged floor panel. Understanding these phases helps you strategically aim for maximum impact on the opponent's side. The arena floor is made of hexagonal panels, and these are your targets. When a powered ball hits a panel, it becomes damaged, showing cracks. A panel can withstand 2 hits before it's completely broken. Once a panel is destroyed, it creates an opening. If the ball then passes through this opening into the ground below, your team scores 1 point. To excel in Dropshot, teamwork is crucial. Coordinate with your 2 teammates to concentrate attacks on specific areas of the opponent's floor, creating larger openings. Mastering aerial plays and powerful shots will help you inflict maximum damage with the ball. Remember to also defend your own floor panels, preventing opponents from scoring on your side. Good communication makes a huge difference.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.